The world is changing. Power is shifting. China, once a sleeping giant, is now wide awake. It builds, it innovates, it dominates. This is the era of Chinese mega bridges, structures of such scale and audacity that they defy imagination. China's rise in bridge building is staggering, boasting over half of the world's longest bridges. Imagine a bridge so high it kisses the clouds. Take the Hong Kong-Zhuhai-Macau Bridge, a 55-kilometre-long behemoth that snakes across the Pearl River Delta. Or consider the Douge Bridge, a ribbon of asphalt suspended over 565 metres above the Beipan River. These bridges are not just about connecting points on a map, they're about shrinking distances, facilitating trade and fostering economic growth. Beyond the raw materials lies something more profound, the ingenuity and skill of Chinese engineers. China's megabridges are more than just feats of engineering. They are catalysts for change. By connecting remote regions, these bridges are opening up new frontiers for development, boosting trade and tourism. Villages that were once isolated are now connected to bustling cities. Farmers can transport their goods to markets further afield. These bridges are symbols of China's technological advancement and its growing influence on the world stage. China's appetite for progress is insatiable. Bridges are no longer just about crossing rivers, they are about connecting a nation on the move. Faced with challenging landscapes and the need for rapid construction, Chinese engineers have become masters of adaptation and efficiency. This has led to the development of cutting-edge techniques in bridge design and construction. Massive investment in research and development has resulted in breakthroughs in materials science, structural engineering and construction techniques. China's dominance in bridge building isn't a recent phenomenon. From the Great Wall to the Grand Canal, China has a legacy of tackling ambitious infrastructure projects. The country is home to some of the world's top engineering universities, churning out a new generation of highly skilled engineers. These graduates are gaining hands-on experience on real-world mega projects. Chinese engineers are not just building bridges, they are building the future. China's expertise in bridge building is no longer confined to its own borders. From Asia to Africa to Latin America, Chinese companies are winning contracts to build mega bridges across the globe. They are bringing their expertise, their technology, and their efficiency to projects of unprecedented scale and complexity. Chinese companies are not just building bridges, they are training local workforces, sharing their expertise, and helping to build capacity in developing countries. China's mega bridges are not just connecting points on a map, they are connecting nations, economies, and people. Building bridges of such immense scale requires materials that can withstand colossal forces, resist the relentless assault of nature, and stand the test of time. One of the key innovations is the use of high-performance concrete. Chinese engineers are also masters of reinforcement, using steel cables and rebar in intricate patterns to create a web of tensile strength. These advancements in material science are not just about building bigger and stronger bridges, they're about building smarter. By using materials more efficiently, Chinese engineers are reducing waste, minimizing the environmental impact, and creating structures that are both beautiful and sustainable. China's geographical diversity is both a blessing and a curse. Earthquakes, typhoons, and strong winds are constant threats, demanding innovative solutions to ensure the safety and stability of these mega bridges. To withstand the Earth's tremors, Chinese engineers employ a range of ingenious techniques, including base isolation systems. To mitigate the effects of wind-induced vibrations, Chinese engineers turn to wind tunnel testing. Chinese engineers strive to create bridges that not only withstand nature's fury, but also seem unfazed by it. There's a certain elegance to a suspension bridge, a sense of weightlessness that belies the immense forces at play. Chinese engineers have mastered this intricate dance of tension and compression, creating some of the world's most iconic cable-stayed and suspension bridges. Cable-stayed bridges with their distinctive A-shaped towers and web of cables are a testament to the power of triangles. Suspension bridges rely on massive main cables that drape gracefully between the towers and are anchored at each end. Chinese engineers have not only mastered these traditional designs, but have also pushed the boundaries of suspension bridge technology. The Pearl River Delta, a tapestry of islands, bustling cities and churning sea, is now home to a creature of steel and concrete, the Hong Kong-Zhuhai-Macau Bridge. This isn't just a bridge, it's a statement. A 55-kilometre-long dragon, its back arched over the waves, connecting three vibrant hubs of commerce and culture. Before, travelling between these cities meant ferries, traffic jams, wasted hours. Now, it's a seamless journey, goods and people flowing freely, cutting travel time by hours. Deep in the heart of China, where mountains pierce the clouds and rivers carve through deep gorges, lies a bridge that seems to defy logic. The Duge Bridge, a ribbon of asphalt suspended over 565 meters above the Beipan River, is not for the faint of heart. To build this behemoth, engineers had to conquer not just height, but nature itself. The Duge Bridge isn't just a shortcut, it's a lifeline. The bridge, a symbol of hope, a promise of a brighter future for the people of this once remote region. The Yangtze River, China's lifeblood, is no stranger to bridges, but the Sutong Bridge stands out. Its two massive pylons support a deck stretching over a kilometre. Designed to withstand earthquakes, it's built to last. The wide deck carries 6 lanes of traffic. At night, thousands of LEDs create a dazzling display. These bridges, these concrete and steel titans, are more than just feats of engineering. They are symbols of China's ambition, its ingenuity, its determination to connect its people and its future. But their impact extends far beyond the physical structures themselves. These bridges are transforming lives. Farmers who once struggled to get their produce to market can now transport their goods quickly and efficiently, boosting their incomes and improving their livelihoods. Remote communities, once isolated by mountains or water, are now connected to the outside world. Children have access to better schools, the sick can reach hospitals faster, and the flow of information and ideas is no longer hindered by geographical barriers. But it's not just about economics and practicality. These bridges are also fostering a sense of national pride. They are tangible symbols of China's progress, its growing influence on the world stage. They are a source of inspiration for a new generation of Chinese engineers, architects, and dreamers. However, it's crucial to acknowledge that these mega projects are not without their challenges. Building for the future. Innovations in materials and design. China's hunger for progress isn't just about building bigger bridges, it's about building smarter. Innovation is the lifeblood of these mega projects, pushing the boundaries of concrete, steel, and human ingenuity. High-performance materials are key. Concrete is a scientist's playground. Special fibers and polymers create concrete with incredible strength and resilience. This superconcrete withstands enormous loads and absorbs shocks. Steel is also getting an upgrade. New alloys are lighter and stronger. Some bridges use carbon fiber, known for its strength-to-weight ratio. These innovations ensure bridges are strong for today and tomorrow. Outsmarting nature, wind, waves, and the unseen forces. Building a bridge isn't just about defying gravity, it's about outsmarting nature. China's varied landscape demands a special breed of engineering. These bridges are built to dance with the elements. Wind can make even massive structures sway and vibrate. Engineers use computer modeling and wind tunnel testing to study aerodynamic properties. They fine-tune shapes to disrupt wind flow and minimize vibrations. Earthquakes are another challenge, especially in seismically active areas. Base isolation systems allow the foundation to move independently during an earthquake. Engineers must also contend with currents, waves, and salt water. Specialized designs and coatings protect against corrosion. Chinese engineers have become masters of adaptation and innovation. Bridging the divide, transforming lives and landscapes. China's megabridges aren't just feats of engineering. They're agents of change, reshaping the nation's physical and social fabric. They are steel and concrete arteries, pumping life into remote communities and stitching together a nation on the move. Before these bridges, isolation was the norm for many communities. Mountains, rivers, and vast distances formed barriers to trade, education, and healthcare. Now, these barriers are crumbling. Farmers can reach larger markets, their goods transported quickly and efficiently, boosting incomes and transforming lives. Children, once limited by the lack of educational opportunities in their villages, now have access to better schools, their horizons broadened by the bridges that connect them to a wider world. Medical care, once a distant dream for some, is now a bridge away, bringing hope and healing to those in need. But it's not just about practicalities. These bridges are also catalysts for social change. They foster a sense of interconnectedness, breaking down barriers between urban and rural communities. They attract tourists, bringing much-needed revenue to remote areas and showcasing the beauty and diversity of China's landscapes. Navigating environmental concerns and sustainable solutions. China's bridge-building boom raises environmental concerns. Megastructures require concrete and steel, impacting carbon footprint. Construction disrupts ecosystems, affecting wildlife and water quality. Authorities are mitigating impacts with sustainable practices. Using recycled materials and minimizing waste is common. Environmental assessments are mandatory for large projects. Section 3. The human cost of progress. Displacement and community impact. While the benefits of improved connectivity are undeniable, it's crucial to acknowledge that large infrastructure projects like mega bridges can have significant social impacts, particularly on communities directly affected by construction. The displacement of families and businesses to make way for bridge pylons, access roads and construction sites is a sensitive issue. While compensation is typically offered, it doesn't always fully address the emotional and social costs of leaving one's home or place of business. The influx of workers and the temporary boom in construction activity can also strain local resources and create social tensions. It's essential for authorities and developers to engage with local communities throughout the planning and construction process, addressing concerns, providing clear information, and ensuring that the benefits of these projects are shared equitably. China is learning from its experiences, and there's a growing recognition of the importance of social impact assessments and community engagement. This involves consulting with local residents, understanding their concerns, and incorporating their feedback into the design and implementation of these mega projects. Section 4. A bridge to the future. Balancing progress and sustainability. China's mega bridges are more than just impressive feats of engineering. They are symbols of a nation striving to balance rapid economic development with sustainable practices and social responsibility. The challenges are undeniable, but so is the commitment to finding solutions. As China continues to build its infrastructure for the future, it's crucial that the lessons learned from these mega projects are applied to all aspects of development. The goal should be to create infrastructure that not only connects people and places, but also enhances the environment, strengthens communities, and leaves a positive legacy for generations to come. The bridges of tomorrow must be more than just concrete and steel. They must be bridges of understanding, bridges of collaboration, and bridges to a sustainable future. Section 1. China's bridges. Not just steel and concrete, but symbols of ambition. As we've journeyed across China, soaring over gorges, skimming across seas, one thing is clear. These bridges are more than just concrete and steel. They are monuments to ambition, testaments to human ingenuity, and powerful symbols of China's rise. These bridges are not just about connecting points on a map. They are about connecting China to its future. They are about pushing the boundaries of what's possible, about overcoming seemingly insurmountable challenges, and about creating a legacy that will inspire generations to come. Think back to the Hong Kong-Zhuhai-Macau Bridge, a dragon of steel and concrete. Its back arched over the sea, linking three vibrant cities. This isn't just a bridge, it's a statement, a declaration that China is a global leader in engineering and innovation. Or recall the Duge Bridge, a ribbon of asphalt suspended between heaven and earth, a testament to the audacity of human ambition. This bridge, once a distant dream, is now a reality, a symbol of what can be achieved when determination meets ingenuity. The next generation of mega bridges. China's bridge-building journey is far from over. A new generation of mega bridges is taking shape, pushing engineering boundaries. Imagine bridges spanning seas, connecting continents. Picture bridges adapting to their environment, morphing to withstand wind and tremors. Intelligent structures, constantly monitoring their health, ensuring safety. The future of bridge building is about functionality and inspiring awe. Imagine bridges glowing at night, transforming urban landscapes. These innovations will reshape the world around us. China's bridge-building prowess is a global phenomenon. Engineers worldwide look to China for inspiration, eager to learn and apply those lessons. From Southeast Asia to Africa, Chinese engineers share knowledge, building bridges that connect communities. China's influence extends beyond physical structures. It's about fostering global innovation in bridge building. The future of bridges lies in global collaboration. China's bridge-building legacy is still being written.